for header hash graph. Now, you might be wondering, who is header hash graph? What do we offer? And how is header hash graph different? And why is everyone talking about us? I'd like to address these questions by covering the following topics during my presentation. Our team and company, the four tenets of public DLT, header hash graph, and header network services. To start, did you know that header hash graph has raised $120 billion? Yes, that's right, $120 billion. That is how much header hash graph has raised from institutions and operating investors in 2018. To achieve the feats like this, and to reach our goal of being the most decentralized public network at scale in the market, we need a strong team, right? My first part of my presentation, our team and company. Most notably, our co-founder and CSO, Dr. Lehman Baird. He is the inventor of hash graph consensus algorithm. And our co-founder and CEO, Mans Hammond. They've known each other and been friends since 1993 and business partner for 26 years. Our headquarters is located in Dallas, Texas. We have offices in San Francisco and New York in the US and Singapore in Asia. Now, you have a more background on our team and company. I'd like to move on to the four tenets of header hash graph. For mainstream adoption, we are of the opinion four crucial aspects need to be met by header hash graph for its users: performance, stability, security, and governance. Let's briefly look at this. Header hash graph offers the four core services: cryptocurrency, smart contract, file service, and consensus service. Underlying these services is hash graph consensus algorithm, and below that is internet and its accompanying protocol. Decentralized applications are built on top of header network and can make use of all these services. As you can see on the screen here, we are hitting over 10,000 transactions per second, which is much faster compared to single or double digits of other protocols out there. This is possible due to hash graph consensus algorithm. It is incredibly fast and bandwidth efficient, and is also a legalized system. As for our security, we have the most secure and strongest level of security in distributed ledger technology called asynchronous Byzantine fault tolerance. For our network stability, we have patented our technology because we do not want our network to fork. As some of you might know, any kind of forking causes chaos to the existing ecosystem and community. We do not want that. Our consensus layer is patented, but the services we are going to provide are open source. And we are going to have open review so that anyone can compile and inspect our source code and make sure nothing malicious has been added. Our final tenet, governance model. Our governance model is also very unique and differ greatly from other protocols in how they make a rule for their platform. Basically, we are in the process of inviting 39 enterprises, global blue chip enterprises, to govern our network. So basically, in fact, we are hiring our bosses. It is term limited to 2 consecutive and 3 years terms. I'm going to show you a video. With this video, this video will illustrate more our role of our governing council more clearly.
We are in the dawn of a new decentralized era, where people who don't know or trust each other can securely collaborate and transact online without the need for an intermediary. For distributed ledgers to go mainstream and enable this vision, there are 4 issues that must be addressed: speed, security, stability, and governance. Hedera Hashgraph is the enterprise-grade public network that addresses these challenges. The underlying Hashgraph consensus algorithm offers speed and scalability, fair ordering, and best-in-class security for mission-critical applications. Hedera is a platform built on and built for trust.
You need a governing concept. And because blockchain systems are about trust, well, somebody has to set the standard for trust.
Hedera aims to achieve a truly decentralized governance model. Hedera Governing Council is an elected group of highly diversified, leading global organizations committed to supporting the development and growth of the Hedera public network.
In our view, the game changer in Hedera's governance approach is the diversity of its members.
Comprised of the world's most innovative companies across different industries and geographies, the Hedera Governing Council will chart the path for the Hedera platform and public network. Their responsibilities include hosting and maintaining initial network nodes, establishing a governance framework for global markets, and overseeing the software run by hundreds of thousands of nodes at scale, and for the overall direction of the Hedera platform's code base.
We decided to join Hedera Hashgraph, but not only join, but be a counselor on the Hedera Hashgraph network, because it's important for us to influence the future roadmap.
The Governing Council will play a crucial role for this emerging sector, creating the best practices and guidelines that will serve the industry for decades to come.
But we're all going to be able to get together and share that global best practice knowledge on a series of interesting and challenging questions about the future of this technology and how we can help frame a governance around it.
Hedera Hashgraph goes beyond blockchain with a fast, fair, and secure distributed public ledger governed by the world's leading enterprises and made for developers, creating a trusted and empowered digital future for all. What future will you build?
As you saw in the video, the name, our council members include the name behind you on the screen. There are more companies we are having in advance discussion with, so we are going to be, we will be able to announce those names in very near future. That wraps part 2 of my presentation. Let's move on to last part, network services. Hedera Hashgraph achieves 10,000 HBAR cryptocurrency transaction per second in a single shard on ledger, meaning on mainnet, without compromising on network security and stability. Hedera's smart contract API enables you to deploy and run Solidity smart contract on Hedera network. Our file service is designed to manage credentials and to verify that data existed at a certain time with a fair timestamp. Last, our consensus service. We have co-authored our Hedera consensus service white paper with IBM. Basically, with our consensus service, you can build an applications like stock market, audio log, stablecoin, or a new network requires high throughput with decentralized trust. We have a very strong community as well. The numbers behind you on the screen speak for themselves. Now, for the big news. On the 16th of September, US time, so tomorrow Korean time, we are going to open our network to public. Meaning anyone can join our network and use our services and build their application on us. Since August last year, our whole team worked really hard on it, and we are very much looking forward to opening our network tomorrow. There will be a virtual event as well, 8 a.m. Korean time, 8 a.m. Tomorrow morning Korean time. Please visit our website www.hedera.com and join us for celebrating this very moment. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Alice Kim. I'm the Business Development Associate for Hedera Hashgraph. I thank you so much for your time and thank you for listening to my presentation. Thank you.